Hi guys, it's Dan with Green Touch Industries, and today we're going to be assembling the version 2 motor mount kit that comes with your X series trimmer racks. First of all, you're going to lay everything out. I did this way. I ended up with you end up with like 3 of the engine support arms and 3 of the motor platform brackets, and then you have 3 of the motor platforms. So I've laid everything out like this. I've even assembled or taken my bolts and my washers and stuck them and put them together and have them all prepared here. So all I have to do is just bolt this together. So let's get started here. We're going to take one of the motor platform arms, and if you follow the easy instructions that we have right here, you'll see the proper way to lay it out. The only change that you would have is if you're going to mount the engine at, forward versus backwards, and you'll just flip those around. But we'll go ahead and set this up. So we're going to just mount that in there like this. Then we're going to grab one of our securing blocks here. It's going to drop in there. I'm just going to leave everything reasonably tight, but yet a little bit loose so that we can move it around as we go. So that part's going to go there like that. Now we have our motor platform bracket. We'll do the same with that. Drop those in. By the way, it is a 10mm wrench that you will be using to tighten these down once you get them all in position. So let's just put a little tension on these guys quick. Now we're going to be ready to assemble this onto the actual trimmer, and we'll do that using the larger bolts and the washers. You're going to use 2 of those. So take a quick break here and we'll get it all set up, and I'll show you how it mounts right onto the trimmer. Okay, now that we have our engine supports all together, we're going to take our engine support arm and put it right up against the back side of the rack, line it up with the 2 holes, take your bolts, and then just start screwing them in, and then you'll tighten them down once they're all in. It's going to be a 17mm wrench that you'll use for tightening these down, and once they're in place, then you can make any final adjustments you need to with your supporting bracket. Okay, once we have everything installed on the back side, our engine supports, then what we're going to do is do our final adjustment, and you just simply push the adjusting arm up and position your pad where you would like to have it, and then take your 10mm wrench and just tighten them down. So that's all there is to installing your engine support system on the new version 2 X series trimmer racks. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 800-621-6919. And we appreciate your business, and stay original. Thanks.